The clever little fishy who saved the garden. In a big, sunny garden, many little animals lived together. There were snails who munched on tasty leaves, birds who sang pretty songs, and frogs who went ribbit, ribbit all day long. In the middle of the garden was a big splashy pond, and in that pond lived a shiny little fish named Flipper. Flipper had the most beautiful tail and loved all his garden friends very much. But one day something bad happened. The green grass started turning brown. The flowers stopped blooming. The bees had no flowers to visit, and the butterflies had nowhere to play. "Oh no," said Flipper, "my friends are sad." Flipper wanted to help, so he made a plan. He jumped out of the water and did the silliest, splashiest dance you'd ever seen. Swish, flip, splash. The insects giggled. The birds cheered. The frogs clapped. Everyone loved Flipper's funny dance. Then something amazing happened. The flowers near the pond started to grow. The grass turned green again. They saw that Flipper's splashes were watering the plants. Flipper called all his friends together. "I have an idea," he said. "Let's work as a team." The birds brought tiny sticks. The bugs made little buckets from big leaves. Every day they filled their buckets with water from the pond. Flipper kept splashing too. Together they watered the garden, and slowly the garden came back to life. New flowers grew. Trees got their leaves back. Even animals from other dry gardens came to visit. Flipper shared his idea with everyone, and soon other ponds in other gardens did the same. Thanks to Flipper's clever thinking and everyone's hard work, the garden was green and happy again. Flipper was so proud, and all his friends smiled and danced around the pond.